Okay. Yeah. In the last class, we have discussed about CDS views, how to create CDS views, and how can we consume that one in SC38 program. Okay, and how can we give the alias names, and how can we uh, yeah, 1 minute. I'll open the system. Let me check. Okay, and how can we give the some where condition and some parameters and select options? How can we apply? I mean, directly select options are not possible. We need to consider. We need to take some low value and high value, and after that one, we need to give the where conditions. The value less than or is equal to, greater than or is equal to, like that. Direct to select options or multiple ranges. That is not possible in CDS views. So that's what we have explained. I mean, and coming to the today's session. Um, some system fields will be there. Okay, in AC38 program, whenever we are creating that program, we need to give some system fields like current date, current time, and current user. So this type of current client, so like that. So some system fields will be there, right? SY and you come, SY and you date something, some fields, some system variables will be there. In the same way here also, I want to uh, uh, I mean I want to use some system fields. So for that one, so just type like session, a dollar session, okay, session, and after that one, click on Control Space button. It will show list of the fields here. Okay, this is the current client. This is the current date, system date. This is the current language, system language, and this is the current user. Okay, I'm just clicking on the client. So as this is the current client, session dot uh, system date user. So I'm just taking some system variables like this as just activate and execute it. It's activated. I'm executing it. So in this way we can, I mean, display the correct system fields, and we can use these things in where conditions or in some other places. If we want to use, we can use in this way. Okay. So dollar session dot, and after that one, click on Control Space button. It will show list of the system fields. Okay, and coming to the joins concept. Okay, I will create one more CDS video. ZAOH2 underscore CDS 3. This is for testing purpose. Here, whatever the description I'm giving, the same description will come. The description will come here. Okay, here individual text dot label is there. Here testing is coming, right? So this testing is coming from that place where we are giving the description. Same description is coming here. And if you want to change this one, you can change it. This is for joins. Okay, and I'm not using these all annotations. We will discuss annotations a bit later. So I'm just taking two annotations. First one is the mandatory thing. So without this one, we cannot activate the CDS view. So get AOH2 underscore SQL 3. Okay, now I can join the tables like VBAK, okay, VBAK, and inner join VBAP on VBAK dot VBELN is equal to VBAP dot VBELN. Now I will take some fields here, VBELN and post now, mat now, AUDT, LMENZ. Something fields I'm taking it here, and it is showing something error. Just click on here. The name VBELN is not unique, means the VBELN is available in both tables, VBAK as well as VBAP. So we need to tell to the system from which table we need to consider the field VBELN. I am just mentioning here VBAK dot. So this is a common field in both tables. So we need to specify from which table we need to consider here. So that's why I am writing here VBELN. So just remember this one. So it will be helpful in the next concept. Okay, after join, some association concepts will come. Okay, at that time it will be different. Okay, just remember this one. And this is a key field, right? So I need to mention something key field here. So otherwise, if I don't maintain, then what will happen? Let me check that one also and save it, activate it. Okay, it's activated. Now I'm executing this one. So it is showing something data here. BBL poster, Matnar, AUDT, and KWMENC. Fine. And now I want to see this one in the uh, SQL view in the database layer. The view is creating. How it is creating, I want to see. So this is a SQL view name. So click here and click on F3 button. So it will go to the SAP GUI console. SAP GUI. Here we can see VBELN and Postner. Okay, by default, it is coming. The system is considering the key fields. Okay, VBEL and Postner is the key fields as it is from the table level, from VBAK or VBAP tables. And mandatory field. Okay, this is automatically this will come. Not required to mention externally here. Automatically it will come. And as a key field. Okay, so if we, I mean, uh, if you don't want to consider this VBELN and Postner like key fields, then we need to use some annotations. Okay, to don't consider VBELN Postner as the key field. Then those annotations we will discuss a bit later. Okay, total annotations we will discuss a bit later. Just in CDS view, what are the concepts are there? I am just discussing those things first of all, and after that one I will go for annotations. Okay. Fine, and here this is inner join, and if you want to apply some left outer join, you can apply here. So in place of inner join, so left outer join. Okay, this is possible in SAP GUI also, same inner join and left outer join. So just activate it. I think same data will come here because so the data first will come to the VBAK, and after that one with the reference of sales document number, it will create in VBAP. So same data will come. Just execute it here. Okay. Data will not change here. Same data will come. And if you want to use some right outer join, okay, right outer join. This is also possible here, and you can see. You can check if anyone is using before 7.4 version, then you can try this right order join in SAP GUI in AC38 program. Then it will not support before 4.6C. Okay, this will work from 4.6 onwards. Sorry, 7.4 onwards. Okay, and right in normal AC38 program also. Just activate. Might be it will display the same data because so the data will save in VBAK first of all. Then with the reference, it will create the VBAP table data. So what I'm considering here, right outer join. First, I will pick the VBAP data. So if the data is available or not, it will check in the VBAK. Okay, you already know about the concepts of joins. So how it will pick the data like that. Okay, it will quite opposite to left outer join. Okay, first it will pick from VBAP, then it will go to VBAK. Okay, activate it and execute it. Okay, might be same data is coming here. Fine. And here SAP is providing one more join. Okay, so let me create one SAP GUI here. So I have created two tables. So the table name is ZEMP underscore something. Just click on F4 button. Header HEAD. So click on display, and here I am just maintaining employee number and employee name. Okay, just header data, employee number and employee name. And if we execute this one, so here something data, two employees are coming. Fine. I have created one more table here. Just open that one also. Just ZEMP underscore ALLOW something. Click on F4 button. Okay, employee allowance. So click on display. Here I am just maintaining two fields, that is allowance name and the percentage. Okay, in companies, how we need to give this some percentage. Okay, some basic salary will be there. On top of basic salary, they will fix like so 10% of HRA, 2% of something DA, I mean 3% of some TA. Like there's some allowances will be there. So those type of allowances, I'm just taking one more table and some percentage. Okay, this percentage may change year to year. Okay, here some HRA is coming like 12% in this year. In current next year, it may be some 13% or 14%. Okay, they will change the percentage data. Okay, so I need to consider these, I mean, employee information as well as this one, allowance information. Okay, the employee number one is there. For this employee number one, these two allowances will apply here. Okay, DA and HRA will apply here. And for the second employee also. Okay, for second employee also, it will apply the DA and HRA these things. Okay, means how many records are available in this table, in the first table. Okay, it will check, it will map with all records in the second table. Hope you are understanding this one. Okay, so here one record is available, employee number one is there. For this employee number, just assume in the table 2 it is containing 10 records. Okay, so the employee number 1 will map with 10 records in the second table. At the same time, the second employee is there, so this second employee also will map with 10 records in the second table. Okay, so cross join, so we already discussed this one in the uh, open SQL statements. So at that time we have discussed about some messages. Okay, different clients, different types of messages they will save. So we need to consider all the messages. Okay, that is one real-time example. And so here I'm just taking this example. So I will consider. I mean, I'm writing the view on top of that table, those tables. Jet, what happened? Jet, it is not able to come. Jet emp underscore HEAD. So there is a header table, and so in place of VBAK, jet emp underscore HEAD header data, and this one is a cross join, not right out or left out or these all things. This is the cross join. So cross join, and the table name jet emp underscore relevance. Now I will consider the fields here. So click on Control plus Space button. Now we can see something. Insert all elements. Okay, template is coming here. Allowance name and elements. Employee name, number, employee percentage. Something is coming here. Okay, I need to consider all the fields here. So what I will do, I will click on Insert all elements here. See how it is coming. Um, so automatically it is picking the data key fields first of all from both tables. Okay, get emp allowance, allowance name. Okay, and employee number. Okay, this is from jet emp header table, and this is from jet emp employee jet emp allowance table. Okay, table name dot field name, like that it is coming. Okay, here field names. Now activate it, execute it. So employee number one is coming. So this employee is allocate, I mean mapping with two records, DA and HRA. Okay, the percentage is coming here 10 and 12. At the same time, the employee number two is mapping with the two records. DA HRA is coming, some percentage is coming here. Okay, and now so there will be different cases. Okay, so if the employee designation is something, designation level is fifth level, then the DATA will be different, and the designation is fourth level, then the percentage may be different. Okay, that is different case. Just this is the example. That's it. Okay, fine. Uh, and we can go for something union and union all. We already discussed about this one in the open SQL statement. Same thing here also. It will work. Here I'm taking something VBAK. Okay, let me check the data in the VBAP table first of all. And slash n s11 VBAP. Click on display button. Execute it. Okay, I'm considering the sales order number 5. So just copy it here and use it in the where condition here. Okay, on VB again, I'm selecting VBELN, just I'm selecting here. Okay, only VBELN and union all. Okay, as select from and here VBELN. This is VBAP table. Remove this as. Okay, so till now you already know this one. Okay, here what I'm doing, here I'm giving something union all and select from VBAP and VBELN. Okay, in both tables I'm taking VBELN. Union and union all will work. So whenever we are considering the uh, same fields from both tables, then only it will work. Okay, now here I will give something where condition where VBELN is equal to. Okay, something sales document number 5 I'm taking, just activate and execute it. How it is displaying the data? Oh, okay. Okay. Let me give, it is picking the data from VBAK as well. So I will give the where condition here also. First VBAK and as well as from VBAP also. So copy it and paste it here. Now let me check how it is coming. So my intention is I want to display only the sales document number 5. So how many records are coming? For checking purpose, I am writing like this. And click on F8 button. So now you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 records are coming here. Okay. So one record is from. So let me check in VBAP and VBAK how many records are available here. So the sales document number 5. Let me check number of records. So total 3 records are available in VBAP. Okay, 3 items are there for this sales document number 5. And coming to the VBAK, one record will be there. Okay, that will be unique. So total 4 records. Okay, so same 4 records are coming here, but I don't want to consider multiple records. Okay, I need to consider only one record. Even the data is available in both tables. Then I will go for union. Activate it. Execute. Now we can see the data is coming like only one record. Okay, means if you take union all, it will pick all the data from both tables even though multiple records are available. So if you go to union, then it will pick only one record. Okay, if the data is available in any table, it will pick the only one record. Fine. This is union and union all concept. And how can we use? See, I will take this two. Okay, fine. So this is the CDS UZ, and I want to use the fields. Okay, these what is the data is coming in this view? I want to use in another view. Let me create one view here. Get AOH2 underscore CDS score. I will take. Click on next button. Click on finish. Okay, and here the data source name is coming. So before that one, I will give the SQL view name get AOH2 underscore cd SQL4. Okay, SQL4, and I don't want to take this all annotations here. Okay, this one. I mean, give that one only, same, no issue. And here I have to give something table name here, right? But I want to give something view name. Okay, so here uh, this is a different view, and CDS1 is there. So just copy it and come to the current view and paste it here. Okay, so instead of table, I am fetching the data from one more view. Okay. Now click on Control plus Space button here and install all elements. I want to pick all the data from this ZAOH2. Okay, so this is the way, and here the alias names I have given, right?